So the boys are still sleeping. They're in my bed and they often come in there in the middle of the night, and I definitely don't complain about having extra cuddles. But I'm just about to make their beds, but their blankets are everywhere because they have this obsession with sharing one bed. The boys have crazy sock day today. Oliver, show me your crazy socks. What are they? Dragon Ball. And Archie has Captain America. We don't get to see you much on this channel, Arch.
No.
And Archie, you're making your debut. And they're gonna love you. Look how cute you are. Say hi, YouTube. I've dropped the boys off at school and now I'm heading to work. This morning is always a little bit of a rush on a Thursday because I literally have like 20 minutes to get to work after dropping the boys off, and I can make it, but I just always seem to be pushing it for time. Hey guys, so I have just finished work and driven home. It is now 6 p.m. I am wrecked. I've had the busiest day at work and I actually still have hair to do tonight. So it'll be another couple of hours doing that, all in the name of fun, right?
Alright guys, I jacked her vlog right now. She's doing my hair. This is like the second time we're doing this?
This is the third one for this one.
Is it? But the second day.
Yeah, second day. Last week on Thursday, we bleached this twice.
Whole thing.
And now we gotta go back in for round 3.
That's tres in Espanol.
What?
You didn't know. That's what 3 is. Tres.
I know that.
What?
I actually know that. I can count to 10 in Spanish. Did you know I can say the alphabet backwards?
Nobody cares. Why is that a skill that you want to have?
That is a skill, a legitimate skill.
That is not a skill.
It is a legitimate.
What? What?
Oh my god.
She's ripping through stuff. She's dropped her phone like 5 times. All right, she's back.
Don't add
Oh, we're adding more stuff?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It won't hurt anymore because it's
Alright.
already on there.
I got a really weak scalp, guys. Just so you guys are aware.
It means a teaspoon of concrete this time.
A teaspoon of concrete.
Yeah, so you can harden up.
That was a really bad dad joke.
It was not.
That was pretty bad.
Everyone loves a dad joke.
I mean,
So what I'm doing is reapplying a bleach mixture, because when you're applying an open air application, it dries the product out, and you need the product to stay moist on the scalp. You need the product to stay moist on the scalp so that it can effectively perform. Look who popped in!
so if y'all ever wanted to know, if some of you that watch my channel always like, bro, why do you look so clean? Because of that lady right there.
Excuse me, and me. The two of us are like
Look, first of all, you're new in this thing. She's OG in this thing. You came in with the color swag because I'm new to the color.
And I like it because I don't get to do stuff like this every day.
I mean, you don't really work with a lot of black people every day, you know, so.
Correct. There's not too many black people on the Gold Coast. I mean, we like you here.
They do. I'm just saying. All right, guys, it's part 2. It's actually not the same day anymore.
Yeah, about 2 weeks out.
We're 2 weeks out, but we're still doing the same process. So I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing.
Well, you did say in the last video that I don't know what I'm doing. So.
Look, I was being facetious. I was being facetious. She's saucy with it. Here's my other question though. It's like, is it frequent for a hairstylist to do like home calls? Like, is it like a frequent thing here?
It depends. I like to be able to do things properly. So if I don't think I can do it properly, I'd rather not do it at all. So for me, I don't really like doing hair at home.
I look like Mr. T right now. Pity the fool. See? Look at this. I'm a time traveler, if you guys didn't know. This is the 3rd time I've been on camera. Y'all don't even know.
And it's like 2 weeks later.
Look, guys, understand, this is what it takes, all right? It's what it takes.
Several weeks working on this mop.
But we're there.
You did it.
Right? You did it. I didn't do shit. I just sat there.
Oh, that's my knee. Did you hear that?
Oh, what's your knee?
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I want to thank you so much for watching and remind you to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And I apologize that this one took a little longer to come. I've just had some stuff going on at home and I honestly have been struggling to find the time to film. So here it is. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next week.